Misha here, and today, out of nowhere, I bought a collection of 3 dozen pocket guns, all automatics, some in 22 short, some in 22 long rifle, one in 22 long, quite a few in 25 ACP, some European, some American, some name brands, Colt, Mauser, Walther, some brands I've never even heard of. Some of these I know about, some of these I don't. This is going to be an interesting experience, cataloging and learning about them. So, stay tuned for that. But what do you think? Anyone else out there have experience or knowledge of little pocket guns? It could be an interesting field. We'll find out. So this is what happened. We were heading out to check on the cabin build, and right as we were about to leave cell range, a person I've known for 25 years called me and said, "Hey, would you like to buy pocket guns?" Apparently he's moving and just wanted to get rid of them. And I didn't know exactly what he meant. I thought he meant anything from 22 up to 32. I was close, but there are no 32s in the mix. These are literally all old pocket guns. And yeah, quite a mix. We've got some Astras, some French La Française, Uniques, Mausers, Model 1910s, and other. Couple of newer Irma, Walther, PPK clones, some real Colts, and some Colts made in Spain under license. A really interesting Steyr, and a couple of Webley automatics. When you think of Webley, you think of the revolvers, obviously, but no, they had some autos too. This is going to be interesting. Some of these will probably be duds, and some, hopefully, will be of interest and find a market. Don't know. As far as I can tell, they all have their original, or at least correct, magazine. No holsters or anything. Oh, there's some Berettas here, too. Forgot to mention. As rough as this one might look, it's actually of particular interest to me. It's Beretta. But, yeah, we'll see where we go. I just wanted to lay them out real quick before I guess, bag them up. I was trying to think what to do with these, because I don't want to put them all together and bang around in a drawer. So I think what I'll do is I'll just put each one in a little bubble envelope and then pull it out for pictures and inspection and whatnot. But if you know about old auto pistols, feel free to comment, or if they're just of interest to you, because outside of a few, like for example the Walther Model 9 and these Webleys and the Colts, of course, this is really outside of my field of expertise. But if it's yours, yeah, let me know what you know. I'm always happy to learn. But this is a complete unexpected pickup for President's Day. So I guess we'll call this the President's Day pistol batch. There's not a 1910 in here, but there's close, kind of its 25 equivalent. We'll find out. This is Misha, and catch you next time.